Good morning, fifth graders. Today our focus is on phonics. So you will need your My Word Study book. So if you want to pause the video and go ahead and grab your book. All right, and then when you come back, we're on page 29. And our objective today is to build our automaticity. All right, we're looking to be able to read and spell these words, fairly quickly. And a lot of these words have a similar pattern. All right, so we're looking for a vowel, consonant, E syllable. All right, so I want you to think about that. A vowel, then a consonant, and then the letter E. So remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Our consonants are everything else. And then it ends in an E. And I'm wondering if any of you know why we would look for something like that. What happens when there's a vowel, consonant, vowel syllable? All right. You might have heard this in earlier grades, but when you have a vowel, consonant, E, it makes the vowel make its long sound. Right? So let's take a look at a few examples. All right? The first word on the list is those. Do you see how it has the letter O? That's a vowel. S is the consonant. And then it ends in the letter E. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and circle that word. That's an example of a vowel, consonant, E. But I also want you to notice that that O is saying its own name. It's making its long sound. Those. Okay, so when you see that E at the end, you know that vowel will make its long sound. Right? Let's find another example. If we move one block over, we see the word brave. Okay, I can hear that A. It's saying its own name. It's making the long sound. And it has vowel, consonant, E. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that. Right? And then I'm going to challenge you to find at least 3 more. I know there's many here, but find at least 3 more that you can circle that have a vowel, consonant, E. All right. And then we're going to read through the words, practice reading them. And just like we've done in the past, when you're feeling confident with the word list, you will time yourself or have someone else time you for 1 minute and see how many of these words you can read within that 1 minute time frame. All right. Now, if you're confident with reading these words, go ahead and stop the video here and you can read through the list on your own. Right? If you'd like to read through this list with me, please stay on the video. I'm going to focus in on the words that are below that gray line, the multi-syllable words. All right. Okay, so I'm going to start with the word bravely. Okay, can you find that below the gray line? And then I'm going to read the words down and skip to the next line and read from top to bottom, and then to the next column, top to bottom. So go ahead and follow along with me. We have bravely, contribute, besides, subscribe, landscape, unashamed, statement, contribute, eliminated, excitedly, ashamed, united, hillside, unashamed, excitedly, bravely, ashamed, unexcited, survived, homeland. Excited, grateful, shoreline, statement, intimidate, contribute, United States, gratefully, sacrificed, delete. Survive, sacrifice, microscope, contribute, celebrate, besides, hillside, shoreline, microscopes, shapeless. Homeland, delete, shapeless, eliminate, estimate, unsubscribe, landscape, intimidated, celebrated, and estimated. Okay, so feel free to rewind the video and listen to those again if you need to. Otherwise, practice reading through this list and figure out how you are going to time yourself for 1 minute. All right, nice work, 5th graders, and I will see you tomorrow.